Good everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Got this Dell inspiron 15 here to fix. It has no display. It has no display. You connect the charger connected. See, the fan is spinning. It's taking 0.47 milliamp. See that? That's not good. We need to open up the laptop and see what could be the problem. Some screws has already been opened. And there are actually two laptops. It's coming from one person. It's two laptops and it's coming from one person with the same similar problem. Has the same similar problem. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to open it up and see what could be the problem that the laptop doesn't have a display. There should be something which is not right. Okay, keyboard is out. Keyboard is out. We need to take out the top cover. Okay. They say they've tried to fix this laptop before, because everything that is in here, like this cable, is wrongly connected. The power cable was supposed to go through the top. Okay, let's open up the laptop and see. Anyway, thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel, and if you are watching this video now you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay, you can see a lot of things is not good on this laptop. A lot of things. The board doesn't look clean either. It doesn't look clean at all. It doesn't look clean. See the speaker? It's not even connected because it's broken. Okay, let's try to find the speaker cable. See, like I said, I tried to fix this laptop before. As you can see, a lot of things are wrongly connected. Here's the speaker cable, is underneath here. Okay, let's see if we can connect. When I hear some sound. Okay, there's the charger again. Let's connect charger. Charger connected, and now it's quiet. Before it used to take it used to start on its own. Let's see. Let me get the power button from the. It looks damaged though. Looks damaged. The power button switch looks damaged. Huh? See. Okay. There you go. The power button switch. Okay, let's connect the power button. See? Okay, charger connected, powered on. Okay, okay. Can you hear that sound? Okay, and let's switch it off again. It looks like a memory problem. Let's see if there's a RAM there. Yes, there is a RAM. Okay, let's just probably, and I also can see the CMOS battery is broken over there. I think after this we'll have to replace it. So let's put another RAM. Let's try it with another RAM. Okay. Remember, low voltage RAM. Remember, you need to use a low voltage RAM. Okay. Let's power on again. Okay. It restarts. That means we should have a display. That is, if it restarts itself. Okay. Powered on. Switch is off itself. Powered on again. That is with that RAM. Maybe there's something wrong with the RAM, which let's check. There's something wrong with the RAM. It's restarting the laptop. Okay. There's the RAM. Take this aside. Let me look for another RAM. A memory stick. Okay. Yeah. Let's try this again. Another one. Another memory. Powered on. And it goes off. Power not on itself. We should have a display now on this laptop. There you go. We have a display. Okay. What was the problem of this laptop? It was the RAM. The RAM that was there was bad. And it was okay. Powered off. And powered on again. There we go. Got the display. Like I said, this client brought two same laptop that have the same problem, the display issue. See, as you can see, I guess it tried to fix them before. See, but once this one is done, I will just probably check what could be the problem of that one. And also we need to replace the, the CMOS battery. But yeah, I'll show you. The CMOS battery is broken. The battery is not fitting properly, you see. We need to take it out. We need to take it out and put another holder. You see that? Must take this one out and we'll replace it. Other than that, the CMOS battery is not going to work. Must take it out and put another one. Okay, there you go. is out. You can just take from another board that has the same CMOS battery pattern. So I'm taking from this board. I don't want this video to be so long. I could have wished to do the other laptop on this same video. The reason why I won't do that is it might not be the same RAM problem, you see. Might be something else, you see. So in that case, I will do a separate video on that one. I'll make a separate video on that one. I'll make a separate video on the other. Let's put the RAM. Sorry, the battery. That's the CMOS battery. You see, it's fitting now properly. Okay, let's test the laptop again. Let's test the laptop again. Connected, powered on. You have to get the memory. You see the sound? The sound that seems as if the battery, as if the RAM is bad. Why? Because the memory, the CMOS battery wasn't there when it was working. So what we need to do now, we need to switch it off. Switch it off. Then you switch it on again. Okay, hopefully it should get this memory, reset its memory. Okay, there you go, we have display. Okay, powered off, then charger connected again, powered on, then it has its memory. Okay, remember the CMOS battery was not connected properly because the holder was broken. See, it was broken. So in that case, I guess this laptop is fixed. What I would do, I don't think there's a point putting it together while the video is on. I've connected the speaker. It was not connected before. Was it connected? So I don't see any point putting this laptop together while the video is still on. Okay, I will make another video on this one because it's the same laptop. I'll make another video on this. It might not be the same problem. Okay, it might not be the same problem. That's why I don't want to do the video over here. Okay, I think I will stop this video now. The problem of this laptop was the memory. This laptop require low voltage memory. You can't just put anyhow memory. The memory that was in there was this. I don't know if I can zoom in so that you can see. Because the memory, you see that? See that? That was the memory that was there. Laptop like this require low voltage memory. I don't know if you can see the difference now. I don't know if you can see the difference here now is, you see this PC3L, the PC3, there's no L there. These are low voltage memory. You see the L tells you that the memory is a low voltage, and laptop like this require low voltage memory. You can't just put any hard RAM, otherwise it won't work. Okay, most laptop use low voltage memory. Okay, I'll stop this video now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.